Hi, this is Adrian. I am going to discuss on how to round off whole numbers. First, we need to identify the place values. In here, 3 is the thousands place, 8 is the hundreds place, 1 is in the tens place, and 0 is in the ones place. Here's the place values. Like I said earlier, 3 is equal to 10 is in the thousands place, 8 is the hundreds place, 1 is in the tens place, and 0 is in the ones place. First, in rounding off, you need to look at the number that is at the right side of the number that is going to be rounded off. Here, 9. The number that is going to be rounded off is 9. The first number that is at the right side of 9 is 1. Here it is. It is 1. If you now get it, then let's proceed to the next rule. In rule number 1, round up if at the right side of the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, or should I say 5 or above. In number 1, 2791, we shall round this off to the nearest hundredths. So at the right side of the number that is going to round it off is 9. So since it is 5 above, it is going to be rounded off. So the answer is 2600. After rounding off, the right side of the number that is rounded off all of the numbers is going to become 0. Only at the right side of the numbers. Only at the right side of the number that is rounded off. Now in rule number 2, round down if it is 5 below. Here's the example. In 2913, round off to the tens place. Since at the tens place and in the right of the tens place is in the ones place, so the right number is 3. So the answer is 3901 and not 3913. Since it is going to round down, so we're going to so 3 is going to become 0 since it is at the right side of 1. So that is how you get this. Okay, so let's have a quiz. I will give you an example. Example, round off the underlined number. Number 1, number 40,918, the number that is going to round it off is in the hundreds place. And at the right side of the hundreds place is the tens place. So in the tens place, the number is 1. So since we are going to round off if the number is 5 below, and we're going to round up if it is 5 above. Since 1 is 5 below, so we're going to round this off. So the answer is 40,900. In number 2, round the number to the nearest tens because the underlined number is in the thousands place. The underlined number is 3, and the right side of this is the hundreds place, which is 6. Since 6 is 5 above, we are going to round this off, and the answer is 4000. And the right side of the number that is rounded off is going to become 0. In number 3, in 4115, the underlined is 1 is in the tens place, and the right side of this is the ones. And since at the ones place is 5 and above, we're going to round this up. So the answer is 4120, not 5. Sorry. The answer is 4120. I will give you another example if you have a question about this. Here in 4115, if the underlined is in the tens place, and since there is no number at the right side, we are wait, never mind. I'll give another example. Number 4, 4115. So that if we're going to line at the 4, since is 4 is in the thousands place, and the right side of this is the hundreds place, which is 1. Since it is 5 below, we're going to round this off. So the answer is 4100. That's all. Thank you for listening.